Om Tat Sat. Three times Omkaram. Om. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. नाम संकीर्तन श्री कृष्ण ओम अच्युता ओम ऋषिकेश ओम कृष्ण ओम केशव सब प्लीज स्पीक लाउडली आउटसाइड उच्चारण ओम केशव ओम कृष्ण ओम गोविंद ओम मधुसूदन ओम माधव ओम जनार्दन ओम मधुसूदन ओम मधुसूदन ओम ऋषिकेश ओम गोविंद ओम ऋषिकेश ओम केशव ओम जनार्दन ओम केशव ओम कृष्ण ओम मधुसूदन ओम कृष्ण ओम पुरुषोत्तम ओम मधुसूदन ओम परम ब्रह्म ओम परम धाम ओम परमं पवित्रम ओम पुरुषम शाश्वतम दिव्यम ओम परमं पुरुषम दिव्यम ओम आदिदेवम ओम अजम ओम विभुम ओम केशव ओम पुरुषोत्तम ओम भगवन ओम भूतभावना ओम भूतेश ओम देवदेव ओम जगतपते ओम योगिन ओम भगवन ओम जनार्दन ओम कमलपत्राक्ष ओम परमेश्वर ओम पुरुषोत्तम ओम प्रभो ओम विभु ओम योगेश्वर ओम महायोगेश्वरो हरिः ओम केशव ओम कृष्ण ओम ऋषिकेश ओम अनंत ओम देवेश ओम जगन्निवास ओम आदिदेव ओम पुरुष पुराण ओम परम निधानम ओम हे कृष्ण ओम अप्रमेयम ओम ईशमीड्यम ओम देवा ओम देवेश ओम जगन्निवास ओम सहस्रबाहो ओम विश्वमूर्ते ओम वासुदेव ओम जनार्दन ओम प्रभो ओम परमात्मा ओम अव्यय ईश्वर ओम पुरुषोत्तम ओम कृष्ण ओम केशेशूदन ओम अच्युत ओम योगेश्वर हरि ओम भोक्तारं यज्ञतपसाम ओम सर्वलोक महेश्वरम ओम सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां ओम भूत महेश्वरम ओम तत्सत. So today we will be covering up the Gita Mahatyam. It is very elaborate, but it must be read. The Bhagavad Gita Mahatyam after finishing all 18 chapters. Every time we finish chapter 1 to 18, once we complete the complete Gita Sastram, then we must read the Mahatyam also along with that. It is also part and parcel of the 1 to 18 chapters only. Then only the benefit will be accrued to us, given to us. This is what Shuka Maharshi has blessed us, given blessing to us. And Lord Vishnu also given us. They are these words. These words are theirs. That we will be given the phalam of this Bhagavad Gita reading. It is not just like that we are wasting our time. Those people who read Bhagavad Gita, this directly the Lord Vishnu is giving us the blessing. None other than Lord Vishnu. That is the importance of Bhagavad Gita reading. So I am going through that. It is quite elaborate, sir, please. So, Gita Sastram idam punyam ya patet prayatah pumam Vishnu padam avapnoti bhaya shokati vachita. The importance of reading of Bhagavad Gita, like we are doing Bhagavad Gita Satsangam. Vishnu padam avapnoti. Vishnu padam avapnoti. Directly you get the Vaikuntham, Vishnu padam, nothing less in between. No Indra, no Chandra, no Varuna, nobody, nothing. No Brahmaloka also. you will go to straight away Vishnu Lokam. That is what the first sloka itself is saying. That gives us a lot of confidence. It gives a lot of boost to our self-confidence that we should read Bhagavad Gita every day. I'll read once again. Gita Sastram idam punyam ya patet prayatah manam puman Vishnu padam avapnoti bhaya shokadi varjitah. పరమ పావనముగి గీతాశాస్త్రమును ఎవడు ప్రయత్నపూర్వకంగా పఠించునో అట్టివాడు భయ శోకాదిరహితముగు విష్ణు పదమును పొందును. గీతాధ్యయనశీలస్య ప్రాణాయామ పరస్య నా ఏవ సంతి పాపాని పూర్వజన్మ కృతాని చ. గీతాధ్యయనం చేయవానికి ప్రాణాయామం సలుపువానికి పూర్వజన్మలందు చేయబడిన పాపములు కూడా నశించును. వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ హ్యావ్ డన్ knowingly unknowingly, all sins in our previous lives also, we don't remember them, we don't know. They'll all will be also vanished. మల నిర్మోచనం పుంసాం జలస్నానం దినే దినే సకృత్ గీతాంబసి స్నానం సంసార మలనాశనం. జలమునందు ప్రతిదినము స్నానం ఆచరించడం వలన మనుషులకు శరీర మాలిన్యము తొలగిపోతున్నది. కానీ గీతాజ్ఞానమును జలమునందు ఒక్క పర్యాయం స్నానం చేయడం మాత్రముచే సంసార మాలిన్యం అంతా నశించిపోతున్నది. As we take bath every day in the morning with the water, our body is cleansed out of all the impurities. Similarly, if we read Bhagavad Gita from chapter 1 to 18 even once, then this samsara malinyam, this bondage of samsaram, this world of samsara malinyam is going to be finished off. Gita Amrita Sarvasvam Vishnor Vaktrad Vinastrutam Gita Gangodakam Pitva పునర్జన్మ నా విద్యుతే. మహాభారతం యొక్క అమృతమయమగు సర్వస్వమును విష్ణువు యొక్క ముఖము నుండి వెలువడినది యొగు గీతా గంగ యొక్క ఉదకమును త్రాగినచో పునర్జన్మ ఉండనేరదు. Whosoever reads it out and whosoever listens to Bhagavad Gita, for such people this is amrutam, మహాభారతం యొక్క అమృతం. this Mahabharat period entire యొక్క that Dwapar Yuga, Mahabharat, us Yuga Amrit is Bhagavad Gita. So it is directly emanated from the mouth of the Lord Vishnu, from the face of Lord Vishnu. So Sat Gita Ganga is as good as Ganga Nadi, Gita Ganga Nadi. That when we listen to these verses of Bhagavad Gita, then there will be no rebirth. Punarjanma undadu. No rebirth, that kind of a thing. ఉపనిషత్తులన్నీ గోవులు గోపాలనందనుడకు కృష్ణమూర్తి సర్వోపనిషదో గావో దోగ్ధ గోపాలనందన పార్థ వత్స సుధీ భోక్త దుగ్ధం గీతామృతం మహత్. ఉపనిషత్తులన్నీ గోవులు గోపాలనందనుడకు శ్రీకృష్ణమూర్తి పాలు పితుకువారు. అర్జునుడు దూడ మహత్తరమగు గీతామృతమే పాలు. సద్బుద్ధి గల జిజ్ఞాసులే ఆ పాలను త్రాగువారు. దట్స్ సో దూడ. Arjuna is the calf. He is the calf. Arjuna is the calf. And Sri Krishna is milking the cow. And all the Upanishads are that Surabhi cow. That means what? That means all the Upanishads, the Jnanam, whatever knowledge is there, that Lord Krishna is taking it out from them and then giving it to the calf Arjuna. And he is making us all like Arjuna only. Who Lord Krishna is making us all like Lord Krishna only. Sugita Kartavya Kim Anei Shastra Sangrahai Ya Swayam Padmanabhasya Mukha Padman Vinisruta. గీతనే లెస్సుగా గానం చేయవలను. ఇతరులకు శాస్త్ర సంగ్రహములు చేయనేమి ప్రయోజనము. ఏలనైనా గీత స్వయంగా విష్ణు భగవాన్ ముఖపద్మం నుండి బయలుపడినది. This Gita is directly emanated from the Lord Vishnu himself. Nothing else has been emanated in the whole world, in all Shastras. Somebody says, somebody. But Bhagavad Gita is separate. It has directly emanated from Lord Krishna. And who else has told this? Lord Krishna told this to Arjuna. So we should only read Gita. We have topmost priority. Sarvashastramayi Gita, Sarvadev Mayo Harihi, Sarvatirthamayi Ganga, సర్వవేదోమయో మను. గీత సర్వశాస్త్ర స్వరూపిణి, విష్ణువు సర్వదేవమయుడు, గంగా సర్వతీర్థమయి, మనువు సర్వవేద స్వరూపుడు. గీతా గంగా చ గాయత్రి గోవింద ఇతి హృది స్థితే చతుర్గస్కార సంయుక్తే పునర్జన్మ నా విద్యతే. గీత గంగా గాయత్రి గోవిందుడు. గీత గంగా గాయత్రి గోవింద్. దిస్ four gas. Gita, Ganga, Gayatri, Govind. 4 gas are there. నాలుగు గకార యుక్త పదములను ఎవడు హృదయం ధరించును అట్టివానికి పునర్జన్మ లేదు. ఇఫ్ యూ కీప్ రిపీటింగ్ ద నేమ్ గీతా గంగా గాయత్రి గోవింద, గీతా గంగా గాయత్రి గోవింద ఇన్ అవర్ హార్ట్, దేర్ విల్ బి నో పునర్జన్మ, నో రీబర్త్. భారతామృత సర్వస్య గీతాయ మదితస్య చ సారముధృత్య కృష్ణేన అర్జునస్య ముఖే కృతం. ఈ మహాభారతమును అమృత యొక్క సర్వస్వమే గీత. భారతమును మదించి సారమగు గీతను వెలిగిదీసి శ్రీకృష్ణమూర్తి ఆ దానిని అర్జునుడి ముఖమునందు హోమం చేశారు. లార్డ్ హస్ గివెన్ దిస్ ఇన్ ద మౌత్ ఆఫ్ ది అర్జున. Gita Shastra Prabhavam, Skanda Puranam. In the Skanda Puranam, now I'm going to read what is the mention about the importance of the Gita. Skanda Puranam, they make it Skanda also. Skanda, they mention Skanda. Otherwise, Skanda Puranam. Skanda is the name of Lord Shiva's son. Kartika, Murugan. So, the Puranam is there. Skanda Puranam is there. From the Skanda Puranam, in the Skanda Puranam also, this about Gita, importance of Gita is mentioned there. That I am going to read now.
It is written by Kartika Subramanian.
Puranam is written
By him.
It's okay. Sri Bhagavan Vacha Gita Saram Idam Shastram Sarvasastra Sunichitam Yatra Sthitam Brahmagyane Veda Sastra Sunichitam. What they say, the Brahmagyanam, Veda Sastra Nichitam, Brahmagyanamu, Virajamanam. Brahmagyanam is there in this Bhagavad Gita. Brahmagyanam, Adhyatma Vidya, Brahmagyanam. There are a lot of jnanas. One is Brahmagyanam, second one is all other jnanam. All other jnanams make for our living, to earn food and to live well, to live comfortably and all that. Brahmagyanam is for the soul. So that Brahmagyanam is there in this Bhagavad Gita. Idam Shastram Maya Proktam Guhya Vedartha Darpanam या पठेत प्रेयतो भूत्वा स गच्छेद विष्णु శాశ్వతం. నాచే చెప్పబడిన ఈ గీతాశాస్త్రము రహస్యములకు వేదార్థములను అద్దము వలె ప్రతిబింబం చేయుచున్నది. ఎవడు ప్రయత్నపూర్వకంగా దీన్ని పఠించినో అతడు శాశ్వతమైన విష్ణు పదవిని పొందును. ఈస్ ప్రామిసింగ్ స్ట్రైట్ అవే దే ఆర్ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు బిలీవ్ ఇట్. దే ఆర్ ప్రామిసింగ్ కి యూ విల్ గెట్ ద వైకుంఠం. విష్ణు పదవి, విష్ణు పదం ఈజ్ వైకుంఠం. విష్ణు dwells in వైకుంఠం only. So he says ki these guys will reach Vishnu Padam, Vaikuntham. That is what. And there will be no doubt about it. So why not? God, you are say Chief Minister of a state, you can give anything to any boon to anyone. Because you are powerful. You got the power. You can donate anything. You can give 1 crore, 10 crore, 50 crore, 20 lakh. You can give anything. You can give some land to anybody. You can do anything. You can make anybody to set up any business. You can make his life. Similarly, the Lord Vishnu they'll come to me straight away. Who can interrupt it? If you are inviting into your house someone, guest to stay, who will stop it? No one can stop it. Etat punyam papaharam dhanyam dukkha pranashanam patatam srunvatam vapi Vishnur mahatyam uttamam. ఈ విష్ణువు యొక్క ఈ ఉత్తమ మహాత్మ్యం, విష్ణువు యొక్క ఈ ఉత్తమ మహాత్మ్యం గీతాశాస్త్రము చదువువారి యొక్క వినువారి యొక్క పుణ్యమును అభివృద్ధి చేయనది. దిస్ విల్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవర్ పుణ్యం. ద మూమెంట్ యు ఆర్ లిజనింగ్ ఆర్ ఐఎమ్ రీడింగ్, ఇట్ విల్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవర్ పుణ్యం ఆటోమేటికలీ. వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు ఆస్క్ ఫర్ ఇట్. పాపమును హరింపు చేయనది. అట్ దిస్ ఇట్ విల్ రెడ్యూస్ అవర్ సిన్స్ ఆల్సో. వీ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఆల్ సిన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ కమిటెడ్ in this life and previous life also, because sattva rajas tama gunas play is always there in us. On everybody it is there. It is we cannot fight over it. Daivihi Vesha Gunamayi Mamamaya Duratya is said. Then nobody has got power to fight those three. But by reading Bhagavad Gita, what is this thing? We are getting an alternative. They will automatically run away. The Rajasic and Tamasic will reduce gradually, and Sattva will increase. After some time, Sattva will take it into Shuddha Sattva, and in the Shuddha Sattva we will realize the Brahman. So, Papam Harimpu Cheyinadi. It will reduce our sins. Dhanyamayanadi, Dukkhamanu Lekkaga Nasampuyanadi. Mala Nirmojanam, Pumsa Snanam, Ganga Snanam, Dine Dine, Sakrut Gitamrita Snanam, Samsara Malalasham. So some slokas are repeated from the previous thing. This is Skanda Puranam. Pratidinamu Che Ganga Snanamu, Manulaku Sarira Malimna Pogutuna Chunadi, Kani Ganga, Gitayanu Jalamanandu, Oka Paryayam Snanam Achinchanacho, Samsara Malini Antu Kurchut. Samsara Malini means the attachment. That attachment, malinium, that is being washed off. That is what it is. Samsara Malini. Too much of attachment. Gita Nama Sahasrena Stavarajo Vinirmitaha Yasya Kukshaucha Varteta Sobi Narayana Smrutaha. Gita Yaka Sahasranamam Nirmitamaina Stavarajamanu Yavada Manambana Smarinchuno Atadu Sakshat Narayan Swarupudeni. If you keep remembering this Bhagavad Gita in your heart, you are straightaway Sakshat Narayana Swarupa. That is what he is telling us. We are not. We should not underestimate ourselves. That we are nothing. ऐसे पैदा हुए हैं, अभी बूढ़े हो रहे हैं, मर जाएंगे, अब तो कुछ भी नहीं है वैसा ही. That feeling, it is not. It is telling you can become Vishnu Swarupam, Narayana Swarupam. It is promising to that extent also. So that is what it is. Where there is a positive hope, we should try. If somebody says you are nothing, and somebody is saying, Gita is saying, Bhagavad Gita is saying you can become up to Narayana Swarupa, then you see the difference. You see the difference. The difference between hell and heaven. So that. Padam va apyartha padam va slokam श्लोकार्धम एवं नित्यम धारयते यस्तु समोक्षम अधिगच्छति. गीता యొక్క ఒక శ్లోకమును గాని అర్ధ శ్లోకమును గాని ఒక పాదమును గాని పాదార్థమును గాని నిరంతరము ఎవడు మనమున ధారం చేయనో అతడు మోక్షమును ఉండును. Whosoever remembers in one sloka, so also he gets moksham, liberation. Gita Ganga Tadha Bhikshu Kapila Ashwatha Sevanam Vasaram Padmanabhasa Pavanam Kim Kalu Yuge. He says ki Kaliyugamana Ganga Nadi Gita Sadhu Pungavudu Bhikshu Kapila Govu Ravi Chettu, this Ravi Chettu, people tree. Vitini Sevanamu Vishnu Bhagavani Parvadinamu Ekadasi, so like yesterday was Ekadasi. We mention a Pavan Karamla Gosu Mariev Kalu in this Kaliyugam. Yesterday we did the worship of Lord Vishnu, Nama Sankirtanam. He says the most best thing to do in this Kali Yuga itself. इससे best work कोई और कोई नहीं है.
What is the best thing to do in Kali Yuga?
That is, I'll tell you, sir. Ganga Nadi Snanam, 4-5 things he mentioned. Ganga Nadi Snanam, Bhagavad Gita Parayanam, Sadhu Pungudu, Bhikshu, some sadhu, some pious gentlemen, not ordinary, some Punyatma, Mahatma, Bhikshu, Kapila Govu, the cow which gives milk and all that. Ravi Chettu, this is a people tree. You sit under this tree also, that is also Vishnu Bhagavan Parvadamu. వీని సేవనము విష్ణు భగవాన్ పర్వదినములో ఏకాదశి Lord Vishnu likes ఏకాదశి. So these are the pious things to do in this Kali. That means when
have to eat that leaf.
no, not that. You just have to sit under it and pray and put a namaskaram to it. praying that it is the Swarupam of Lord Vishnu. That's all you have to do. So these are the ones we should do in the Kali Yuga. We should try to prayata. That is what we do. 99.9% are not doing. That's none of our business. What you can do or what I can do only matters to you and to me. That's all. Because everybody is born based on his or her karma. This is apadam narakam ghoram gitadhyayi na pashyati. Why? Because apadam narakam ghoram గీతాధ్యానం చేయవాడు ఆపత్తులను కానీ ఘోరముకు నరకమును కానీ ఎన్నటికీ చూడకే ఉండను. We not get ఘోర నరకం. It will vanish by the power of Lord Vishnu. It will kill away everything. That is what. Now, there are 18 names given to Bhagavad Gita. Gita, Ganga cha Gayatri, Sita, Satya, Saraswati, Brahma Vidya, Brahmavalli, Trisandhya, Mukti Gehini, Ardhamatra, Chidananda, Bhavagni, Bhrantinashini, Vedatrayi, Para Ananta, Tatvartha Jnana Manjari, Ityetani Japan Nityam Naro Nichala Manasaha, Jnana Siddham Lavesh Shikram, Tada Ante Paramam Padam. These are the names given. Gita, Ganga, Gayatri, even Sita, Satya, Saraswati. Sita Maya, the name of the Lord Rama's wife. Sita, Satya, you can call Satyabhama, Satya, Sri Krishna's wife. Gayatri Mata, Gayatri. Gita, Saraswati Mata. These names we should remember. Now, further it is there, Gita Mahima. Now, elaborately, this book is mentioned. I'll go through that. Saunaka Uvacha. Saunaka is a Muni, sir. He's a great Rishi, ancient Rishi of Kruti Yuga and all that. They're all Chiranjeevis basically. They have. We live for 100 years. They live for many years. Always they remember there's no death for them because they have attained such punyam already there. You know, Saptarushi are also there, always there. So like that, Chiranjeevis are there. So these are there in the world. We will also be blessed by the Bhagavad Gita also. Saunaka Uvacha, this Vaishnavi Tantra Saram nundi. This is from the Vaishnavi sector is there. Such people have worked it out. Saunaka Uvacha, Gitaya Shaiva Mahatmyam Yadhavat Utame Vada Pura Narayana Kshetre Vyasena Munino Ditam. Saunakadu, O Suta Munindra, Saunaka Muni is asking Suta Muni. There are two Munis. Say your Saunaka Muni is Suta Muni. Saunaka Muni is asking Suta Muni. Suta Muni is telling all this actually. So Saunaka Muni is asking Suta Muni, Suta Munindra, Purva Mukhanakapura Narayana Kshetramna Sri Vyasa Munindrudu Cheppina Gita Mahim Unnatunatluga Naku Cheppu. He is requested, you are requested him. Please tell me about the Gita Mahatmya. You requested him. So he will tell. He is Shuka. Shuka Maharshi is answering now. Saunaka is asked the question. That we must know the connection so that we understand as it is. Now Suta Bovacha. Suta Maharshi is telling, you are telling. Bhadram Bhagavata Prustam Yadhi Guptatamam Param Shakyate Kena Tadvaktum Gita Mahatyam Uttamam. Sutadu Saunaka, నీవు మంగళకరమైన ప్రశ్న అడిగితివి కానీ అతి గోప్యమైన సర్వోత్తమమైనట్టి గీతా మహిమను సంపూర్ణంగా ఎవరు వర్ణించి చెప్పగలరు? హూ కెన్ టెల్ ఆల్ దిస్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ సచ్ ఎ వాస్ట్ వన్. కృష్ణో జానాతి వై సమ్యక్ కించిత్ కుంతి సుత ఫలం వ్యాసో వా వ్యాసపుత్రో వా యజ్ఞవల్పో అధం మైథిల. గీత యొక్క మహత్వం పూర్తిగా తెలిసినవాడు శ్రీకృష్ణుడు ఒక్కడే. అర్జునులకు దాని గురించి ఒకంత మాత్రము తెలియదు. అట్లే వ్యాసులు సుతులు కానీ యాజ్ఞవల్కుడు కానీ జనకుడు కానీ కొంత తెలిసి ఉన్నారు. జనక ఈజ్ ది ఫాదర్ ఇన్ లా ఆఫ్ శ్రీరామ, ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ సీతామయ్య. హీ నోస్ లిటిల్ బిట్. अन्ये श्रवणः श्रुत्वा लेशं संकीर्तयन्ति च तस्मात् किञ्चित् तत्त्वं यत వ్యాసస్యానస్య మయా శృతం. ఇక తక్కిన వారు కర్ణాకర్ణిగా విని ఆ గీత యొక్క మహిమను లేశం మాత్రం వర్ణింపగలుగుతున్నారు. ఈ ప్రకారంగా వ్యాసుల ముఖత నేను విన్నదాన్ని ఒక ఇంత చెప్తున్నాను. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ హర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది వ్యాస, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ రిమెంబర్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దాట్, ఐఎమ్ నౌ టెలింగ్ యూ అబౌట్ ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ గీత. सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनंदनः पार्थो वत्स सुधीर भोक्ता दुग्धम गीतामृतम महत् सारथ्यम अर्जुन अस्याधौ कुर्वन् गीतामृतम दधौ लोकत्रय उपकाराय तस्मै कृष्णात्मने नमः. We are praying Lord Shri Krishna for giving us the Bhagavad Gita. संसार सागरम घोरम तर्तुम इच्छति यो नरः गीता नावं समासाध्य హారం యాత సుఖే సహా. ఘోరముకు సంసార సముద్రమును దాటదలుచు మానవుడు భగవద్గీతను నౌకను బడిసిన సో సులభంగా ఆవలింటిని చేరగలడు. సంసార సాగరం ఇది వెరీ ఘోరం. సంసార సాగరం, టేకింగ్ బర్త్ అండ్ గ్రోయింగ్ అప్ అండ్ గెట్టింగ్ మ్యారీడ్ అండ్ having children and becoming young, becoming middle age, becoming old age and leaving this body, dying again. This is samsaram ghoram, samsara sagaram. Whosoever wants to cross over this, then he should sit in the Bhagavad Gita as a boat or a ship. You should sit in the Bhagavad Gita ship. Then he will cross over the other side. That he will not be there. Gita Jnanu Srutam Naiva Sadaiva Abhyasa Yogatah Sadaiva Abhyasa Yogatah Moksham Ichati Mudhatma Yati Balaka Hasidam. ఎవడు నిరంతరాభ్యాసం సై గీతా జ్ఞానం అనుభూతి మనసు కనుక మోక్షం మాత్రం కోరుచున్నట్టు మూడు బాలకు కూడా పరిహాసపడతాడు. Whosoever is reading Bhagavad Gita or whosoever is listening Bhagavad Gita, నిరంతర అభ్యాసంతో గీతా జ్ఞానం అనుభూతి మనసు. We have to understand Bhagavad Gita. We have to understand it and we have to apply it. We have to practice it. But without doing understanding, without doing application, and you just read it just like that, and then we keep asking moksham. मेरे को मोक्षम भी देना चाहिए, liberation should be there, given to me, without understanding, without applying. Then such people are even joked by children also. Children also joke at them. That means we need to understand Bhagavad Gita and we need to apply little bit, whatever possible to our personal needs. Some people are doing pranayamam, some people are doing dhyanam, some people are doing nama sankirtanam, some people are controlling their senses, mind, body. These are all the applications of Bhagavad Gita. Whosoever they do it, they get liberation. But without doing these, then hoping that I just heard it and I want liberation, such is not God. And ये शृण्वन्ति पठन्ति एव गीता शास्त्र महर्निशं न तैव न ते वै మానుష జ్ఞేయో దేవారూప న సంశయ. ఎవరు గీతా జ్ఞానము అహర్నిశము శ్రవణం చేయుచు పఠించుచు నుందురో అట్టి వారిని మానవులుగా తలంపరాదు, వారు నిశ్చయంగా దేవరూపేలు. Whosoever is listening or reading Bhagavad Gita regularly, we should not consider them as human beings, normal manavas. They are devarupas. They are directly devarupa. They are like gods only. गीता ज्ञानेन संबोधम कृष्ण राहार्जुनाय वै भक्ति तत्वं परम तत्र सगुणं च अध निर्गुणं. శ్రీ కృష్ణమూర్తి అర్జునులకు గీతా ప్రబోధముల ద్వారా సమ్యక్ జ్ఞానము, ఉత్కృష్టము భక్తి తత్వమును, అందును సగుణ నిర్గుణ స్వరూపం రెండింటినీ లెస్సగొప్పి. God has clearly told, Lord Krishna has clearly told in the Bhagavad Gita, Saguna Swarupam and Nirguna Swarupam. When we are praying God, there are two forms of the God. Arjuna also asked this question, which one is important to you, out of the Saguna and Nirguna? So God has told what is Saguna Swarupam and shown it, And what is the Nirguna Swarupam? That also is shown it. If you take back your mind, sir, when we repeat it next time, then you can again focus on that. I'll again emphasize on that. It is mentioned in chapter 7 and chapter 9. And chapter 15 also. So he mentioned about Saguna Swarupam and Nirguna Swarupam. And Sadhu Geetambusa Snanam, Samsara Maranavishanam, Shraddha Hirasa Tat Karyam, Asti Snanam Cha Bhutesa. With interest, with Shraddha, like we have seen Shraddha Prayogam chapter 17. With Shraddha you do anything, it will give you benefit. Without Shraddha you do anything, it will not give you any benefit, neither in this world nor after leaving this body. So that is what. That without Shraddha, that is mentioned, whatever we do, worship and Bhagavad Gita reading or what anything, without Shraddha you do anything. It is compared here as a Gajasnanam, the elephant bath. They compared it, why elephant bath? After taking the elephant to bath, the elephant takes bath, it comes out and again pours mud on its body. It's waste. So again the body becomes mud. So it is waste like that. So we have to have Shraddha. With Shraddha we have to do it. And Bhagavad Gita reading will it will give you bhukti mukti. It will give you also food. It will also give us mukti. After by following all this good behavior, good conduct, we will be liked in the society. We will earn our own living naturally. Whatever way we can earn, we are earning or living. It will be natural. Nobody will harm us because we don't harm anybody. Once we don't harm anybody, who will harm us? If I harm somebody, then only there will be reciprocal. If I don't harm anybody, nobody will harm us. Bhukti, food will come. So, and living, bhukti is there. And mukti also will come. Liberation also will come there. Thereafter, on the 18 chapters, this Prema, Bhakti, Sahita, Karmalandu, Pravesimpa, Kramanga, Jivanaku, Chitta Suddhi Kalvi. Our Chitta Suddhi, it will come to us gradually. Gradually, once we understand all the 18 chapters one by one. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3. Yes, sir. Arjuna Vishada Yogam and Sankhya Yogam, Karma Yogam, Jnana Sannyasa Yogam, Karma Sannyasa Yogam, Dhyana Yogam, Jnana Vijnana Yogam, all these things are there. Atma Sanyama Yogam, Raja Vijja, Raja Bhukya Yogam, Vibhuti Yogam. Right, sir? And Sri Krishna Sandarshana Yogam, Vishwarupa Darshana Yogam, Bhakti Yogam. You reach these steps and then our heart will be purified. Chitta Suddhi. Once you have Chitta Suddhi, you will achieve anything in this world. You don't have to be afraid of anybody or anything. After Chitta Suddhi, whatever you wanted to do, you will do it. Whosoever doesn't read Gita, whosoever doesn't listen to Gita, they are all wasting their time. That's what it is. They are all wasting time. There is no doubt about it. Then it is mentioned about Vishnu Parvati, Ekadasi Dinmulandu, Gita Navadajam Chayana, at what there is will be not so Kam Krodadul and Parabhavam Kadu. We should keep reading Bhagavad Gita and especially we must make an attempt on Ekadasi. In a month there are 2 Ekadasis. Shukla Paksham and Krishna Paksham. 2 Ekadasis are there. On these 2 Ekadasis, definitely we should not miss out. On other days also we should do it. But certainly on these 2 days we must make an effort. By any chance, in case we are missing it out. We should not miss Ekadasis. And whenever you visit Tirthayatra or Devalayam, Shivalayam, Tirthasthan, Nadi Tirumagani, you have to get in a particular one is over. Whosoever by any chance you are doing visiting some temple and all that, if you read Bhagavad Gita there, it's good for you. Gita Dhyana every day if you read, గీతా పాఠం చ శ్రవణం య కరోతి దినే దినే క్రతవో వాజి మేధాధ్య కృతాస్తేన సదక్షిణ. ఎవడు ప్రతిదినమును గీతా పఠనమును గీతా శ్రవణము గావించుచుండునో అట్టివాడు దక్షిణలతో కూడా పెక్కు అశ్వమేధ యాగములు ఆచరించిన వాడే. అశ్వమేధ yagam. There are Ashwamedha yagas. Even to do one Ashwamedha yagam, you have to become an emperor, like that Yudhishthir, Dharmaraj. He has, after becoming the emperor, he has conducted Ashwamedha yagam. Similarly, Sri Rama also conducted one Ashwamedha yagam. One Ashwamedha yagam means he will set his after worshipping that Ashwamedha Ashwam, he will set it free, and it keeps going. People will be following him. Troops will be following it to protect it. But it should not be stopped by anybody in others kingdoms. Whoso stops it, you don't enter into my kingdom. That fellow has not accepted the sovereignty of this gentleman. Then they will have to face battle with this, and then there will be war and battle, and in that war he has to win. Other fellow who stopped it, otherwise he will be defeated and his kingdom will be taken away by force. Then that way the horse will complete the whole globe and come back to him. Then he has become the emperor of the whole country. One Ashwamedha. But if you read this Bhagavad Gita, 6 chapters. If you read Bhagavad Gita 6 chapters, it will be as good as you have done one Ashwamedha yagam. That is the power phalam they are giving. You see, I am surprised. Such is the power of reading Bhagavad Gita. Such is the importance of reading Bhagavad Gita. If you read 9 chapters, it will be as good as it will come now. The time I will again cover. If you read 9 chapters, it is as good as you are taking bath in the holy Ganges. If you read 6 chapters of Bhagavad Gita continuously with a meaning, one Ashwamedha yagam, you have done it. You have become an emperor. You have done it. It's power. That power, whatever the power is, it will be given to you by the God. And if you read full, like we are completing the full from 1 to 18, then it will be the Jnana Siddhyam. It will Jnana Siddhi. The knowledge is ultimately important to us. At the time of our leaving body also, only one thing will help us, our jnana. Nothing else will help us. Even my wife may be standing by my side, my children may be standing by other side, doctors are standing, this thing, relatives are standing, everything is there. They got a lot of food to eat, medicines to take, and money is there, everything is there, comfort is there, servants are there, everything is there. But my jnana only will help me out finally. So that one Bhagavad Gita is only Bhagavad Gita is giving. If you read complete 18 chapters, that is what. And no other way. There is no shortcut to success. So that is what it is. So keeping this point in mind, we should read Bhagavad Gita continuously, all 18 chapters. That kind of thing we need to plan and do it. Whosoever Shrunoti cha Gitardam Kirtayatyeva Param Shravayechha Parardham Vai Saprayati Param Padam. Whosoever listens to Bhagavad Gita, and whosoever is reading Bhagavad Gita, obviously there will be two groups. One person is reading and other persons are listening. There are 2 groups. So whosoever is listening Bhagavad Gita, and whosoever is reading Bhagavad Gita, it's in the satsangam like this today happening. Such people who are they're only spreading the uttama bhavam. Only good things we are discussing here. Bhagavad Gita is only good things are mentioned. Such good thoughts, let noble thoughts come to us from all directions. As per Rig Veda, it says that we are only discussing good thoughts, good feelings. So such uttama bhavam, such people Paramatma Padmanu pondu. Such people reach God. Yes, sir. Such people attivaru uttama padmanu pondu. Paramatma padmanu pondu. whosoever we are discussing Bhagavad Gita is full of only Uttama Bhavam. So Uttama Bhavam we are sharing by reading and by the Shabdam I am making, you listening. This Uttama Bhavam, it is generating. Such people reach Paramatma Padam. That's what they say. Gita Grandam, it should be there in the home. Whatever sins by mistake, knowingly or unknowingly we do, or I do, they'll all be vanished by the Bhagavad Gita Patanam Patanam. That is the blessing they are giving. Shri Bhagavan Vacha, Gita में हृदयम पार्था, गीता में सारम उत्तमम, गीता में ज्ञानम अत्युग्रम, गीता में ज्ञानम अव्ययम. श्री भगवानुడు చెప్పెను, ఓ అర్జున, గీతయే నా హృదయం, గీతయే నా యొక్క ఉత్తమ తత్వం, గీతయే నా యొక్క తేజవంతమైన నాశరహితమైన జ్ఞానం. గీతా మే క్యా ఉత్తమం స్థానం, గీతా మే పరమం పదం, గీతా మే పరమం గుహ్యం, గీతా మే పరమో గురువు. గీతయే నా యొక్క ఉత్తమ స్థానము, గీతయే నా యొక్క శ్రేష్టము పదము, గీతయే నా యొక్క పరమ రహస్యము, గీతయే నా యొక్క పరమ గురువు. గీతాశ్రయో అహం తిష్టామి, గీతా మే పరమం గృహం, గీతా జ్ఞానం సమాశ్రిత్య త్రీన్ లోకాన్ పాలయామి అహం. నేను గీతను ఆశ్రయించుకుని ఉన్నాను, గీత నా యొక్క ఉత్తమ గృహము, గీతా జ్ఞానం ఆశ్రయించియే నేను ముల్లోకములను పాలించుతున్నాను. गीता में परमा विद्या ब्रह्मरूपा न संशय अर्धमात्रा परा नित्य स्वनिर्वाच्य पदात्मिका. గీతయే నా యొక్క శ్రేష్టమైన విద్య, అది బ్రహ్మస్వరూపము, ప్రణవము యొక్క 4వ పాదముకు అర్ధమాత్ర రూపము, ఉత్కృష్టమైనది, నిత్యమైనది, అనిర్వచనీయమైన స్వరూపము గలది. ఇట ఎలాంటి సంశయము లేదు. That is what he says. One more secret he has revealed it right now. Bhagavad Gita Shravanam Patanam is such a pious thing. When we say Omkaram, in the Omkaram, the Ahu Ma is there. Omkaram. In that after Ahu Ma, there is a Bindu Matra is also there. So that's why that we must focus. It is that. Like say, it's a bit connected to silence also. When we say carefully, after Om, that silence Bindu Matra is there. That is the highest place. God is very mysterious. It is not that everybody wants to reach God, but God is not available to everybody and anybody. And we have to understand Him. He is in that silence part of it. That means what? We should focus not on this worldly life 99 or 100% only. At least we must focus on that silence part of the Omkaram. That is Bhagavad Gita Shravanam Patanam will give us that benefit. Anyway, sir, when we practice Omkaram also, once our setting is getting ready under the tree when we do, that time we'll practice this also. Now further he's telling, गीता गंगा च गायत्री सीता सत्या सरस्वती ब्रह्मवल्ली ब्रह्मविद्या त्रिसंध्या मुक्तिगेहिनी अर्धमात्रा चिदानंद भवग्नि भ्रांतिनाशिनी वेदत्रयी परानंत तत्वार्थ ज्ञानमंजरी इत्येतानि जपे नित्यं नरो निचल मानसः ज्ञान सिद्धिं लभे नित्यं तदान्ते परमं पदम्. Whosoever reads completely the Bhagavad Gita, all 18 chapters, or whosoever listens all 18 chapters, they are given the Jnana Siddhim. That is one point. Second point is telling, if you don't read, if you can't read, if you're not able to read all 18 chapters in one go, it's one go. If you don't read in one go, पाठे समर्थ संपूर्णे तदर्थम पाठम आचरे तदा గోదానం పుణ్యం లభితే నా అర్థ సంచయ. గీతను సంపూర్ణంగా చదవలేని వాడు అందు సగము భాగము చదవలను, అప్పుడు గోదానం వల్ల కలిగి ఫలితం అనేది తప్పదు. ఇఫ్ యూ రీడ్ one go 1 to 9 chapters and its meaning also, if you read that then or listen to that, it is as good as you donated a godanam. Thus godanam is very pious thing, very powerful thing. It will lift our lives from mundane life to the higher worlds. Bhagavad Gita is giving that power to us. See, we simply don't have to do anything. We can read all 18 chapters in one day if we have later on practice, or 9 chapters also in one go. The meaning this kind of. Now third point, Tribhagam, third part, 1/3. Tribhagam patamanastu somayaga phalam labhet, Shadansam japamanastu Ganga snana phalam labhet. So Tribhagam, so 6 chapters if you read, then you get somayaga phalam. Shadansam japamanastu, that is 3 chapters. If you read 3 chapters, it is Ganga snana phalam labhet. Earlier I mentioned by mistake, that is Ganga Snana Phalam. So now if you read 3 chapters only with the meaning, you will get it. 9 chapters, you read meaning, you will get the Godanam. That much powerful it is. Today you have to donate Godanam. For example, I have to do Godanam. It's not that simple. You have to minimum spend 50 to 60,000 rupees. Go the cost of the cow, and then find a proper mutt and ashram, go there and then take that cow, and then it is such a laborious work. Spend money also. 50-60,000 is the cost of the cow itself only. Then you give it to the ashram matter. That's what Godanam. That you don't have to do that much. You don't have to spend 50-60,000 every day. You just have to finish 9 chapters with his meaning, with Shraddha. That much. Where is the money involved in this? There is no exploitation. Shraddha Bhakti, that's which we have to have it, that's all. Or you give money. You have money, you have lots of crores of rupees. You don't care for 50-60,000, is nothing for you, peanuts. It's like tips in a hotel, 5-star hotel when you go. 50-60,000, just take that 50-60,000, do Godanam. Or you read 9 chapters with a meaning, you get that for them. तदा अध्याय द्वयम नित्यम पठमानो निरंतरम ఇంద్రలోకం అవాప్నోతి కల్పం ఏకం వసు. గీతను రెండు అధ్యాయంలో నిత్యం పఠించేవాడు ఇంద్రలోకం ఉంది, కల్పకాలం ఉంది. యూ వాంట్ టు గో టు ఇంద్రలోకం, దేర్ విల్ బి రంభా ఉర్వశి మేనకా డాన్సింగ్, అండ్ యూ కెన్ లివ్ దేర్ ఫర్ one kalpam, and you have to read Bhagavad Gita 2 chapters daily with a meaning. You read 2 chapters daily with a meaning, you will become Indraloka, and you will enjoy for one kalpakalam. One kalpa means this is so many thousands of yugas. Kalpavruksha kalpakalam. Kalpakalam is 1,000 years, 1,000 yugas. And one yuga we can't even manage. Yes, sir. 100 years we can't manage. In the Kali Yuga only, God only knows how many times we'll be reborn, and God only knows. We don't know. So one yuga, 100 years also we can't do. So sir, one kalpa kalam will stay there. If you just read two chapters a day, it's not so. Let us do it. Yes, let us do it. Actually, let us do it. Then only you know. You read 2 chapters. You read 3 chapters. Then you are doing Ganga Snana Phalam. And the Ganga Mata is going to liberate us. Ganga Mata has liberated Bhishma also. Ganga Mata will liberate you and me also. 3 chapters a day. And 6 chapters if you read, it is Somayaga Phalam. You've done that yajna, you become equal to emperor of, Dasharatha Maharaj, Sri Ram and Sri Krishna, Pandavas, Yudhishthira. You are at par with them. It is giving you that power. It is lifting us up. So that is what it is. So Ekam Adhyayam. This is the 2 chapters. One chapter fellow, Ekam Adhyayakam Nityam Patati Bhakti Sanyukta Rudralokam Avapnoti Gano Bhutva Vashishiram. So even if you read one chapter with meaning, you will go to the Rudralokam. There you will become a Rudragana and live there. But who wants to go to Rudralokam and Rudragana and Shiva? It's better to go to Indraloka. It's better to go to Indraloka than Rudraloka. You know, फिर वहीं घूमते रहो उधर ऐसा ही फिर एक त्रिशूल लगा करके रुद्रलोक फिर पूरे जट लगा करके घूमते रहो. Better to read two chapters, put little more extra and go to Indraloka and enjoy daily good food, good. And what?
The Muslims are telling 72 more. Our people are also giving the promise.
Yes, definitely. But but our people are non-violent. The 72 wala violence wale. They are saying you kill these people, you become a suicide bomber, and then you kill them and you get 72 hoods. He is also getting destroyed himself, and then God only knows whether he will get 72 hoods, and nobody else who had seen it. But our people are non-violence. They are not telling us, here you don't destroy yourself. You live well, let others also live. Live and let live. Peace should be there, and you will get benefit. You just have to read Bhagavad Gita. You see the difference? So whosoever is reading even 10 slokas also daily, they will go to the Chandraloka, moon, and stay there for 10,000 years. Thereafter they will come back. So then गीतार्थमपि पाठं वा शृणुयो अंतकालः महापातकयुक्तो अपि मुक्तिभागी भवेज्जनः. ఎవడు అంత్యకాలమున గీత యొక్క మూల శ్లోకములను కానీ అర్థమును కానీ శ్రవణము చేయనో అతను మహాపాపయుక్తుడైనప్పటికీ మోక్షభాగుడు కావాలి. యూ విల్ గెట్ ద లిబరేషన్. ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ టైమ్ we will work out this Mola Slokas. I have understood something later on when going through all these 18 chapters. We will focus on that also. Main slokas, Mola Slokas. We will work out couple of slokas from all one chapter, each chapter up to 18. Then we will work it out. We will take out a separate. Even if we remember that, if we can't remember all the 700 slokas of Bhagavad Gita, 701 or 72 slokas, we can't understand. Remember it. But some couple of slokas, some 20-30 slokas, we can remember, and that will make our life. At the time of that, only this only will help us out. Baki sab maya hai, baki sab dunya hai. Everything is dunya. That is what it is. So anyway, sir, so far, and Gita Pustaka Danam, Dena Puchasu Samanitam, Krutva Daviniya Samyak Prasadu. Gita, if you donate Gita book donation, then that is you will become Krutartha.
That's why when people die on 30th day when they do in our square, these books they are distributing these books.
Yes, but whether it is on 13th day or other day or normal day or anything, but yeah, of course, yes. Yeah, that may be better of getting people gathered and all that. But we should do Gita Pustaka Dhanam. But we should do it. And God permits me, I will also do it. भगवान का आदेश होना चाहिए. ठीक है सर. If you donate 100 books straight away, you will get पुनरावृत्तिरहितं ब्रह्मदानं. शतपुस्तकदानं च गीताया प्रकरोति यः स याति ब्रह्मसदनं पुनरावृत्तिधनं. So I will donate 100 Gitas. I will plan for it. Then पुनरावृत्ति padam. You will not be reborn. You will not be reborn. No Punaravritti Padam. You will go to that place where you will not come. That means you will go to Vaikuntham. Once you go to Vaikuntham, Vishnu Padam, you will become Lord Vishnu only. That is what it is. It is his promise. Whosoever enters into Vishnu Lokam, they will all become Vishnus, gentlemen. And the ladies, they will become Lakshmi. That is what. वहाँ पे काउंटलेस विष्णु है, काउंटलेस लक्ष्मी से मेन विष्णु तो है, मूल विष्णु वहाँ पे है, बट बाकी जो सब विष्णु ही बन जाते हैं. जेंट्स एंड बाकी तो लेडीज जो हैं वो लक्ष्मी बन जाते हैं, महालक्ष्मी, उनका वैसा ही है, रूल है, वो रूल है ऐसे। It's not easy, but the way it is there is so simple. We only have to follow it. So sir, so far so good for this గీతాధ్యాయ విషయంలో జనంలో చిన్న పెద్ద అని తేడా ఏమీ లేదు, అందరూ అధికారులే అవుతున్నారు. జ్ఞానం అన్నిట్లోనూ సమరూపమైనది బ్రహ్మస్వరూపిణి అయి ఉన్నది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ నో, ఎవ్రీబడి కెన్ లిసన్ టు ఇట్. There is no small boy or old people, big, small, this gender, lady, gent, nothing, no differences are there. Everybody is andaru adhikarule. Everybody is having authority to listen to this. They are born to listen to Bhagavad Gita and practice Bhagavad Gita. So this is so far for the Bhagavad Gita Mahatyam. So we will chant 3 times Omkaram and close the session. ఓం తత్సత్. సర్వం శ్రీ కృష్ణార్పణమస్తు.
సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు.